This 2020 Winnebago Vita 24F is a Class C RV. It is located in Ringgold, Virginia, 24586 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Danville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 24 feet 7 inches in length and features sleep 6, microwave, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, awning, refrigerator, oven, LP detector, leveling jacks, slide-out, stovetop burner, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2020 Winnebago Vita 24F is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.